Hey, what's going on, guys? It's another sunny day here in California, and today I want to show you a roof job we're doing just behind me. So let's get on the roof so I can show you around. As you can see, I'm standing on this roof that we are just about to finish. We worked here for 3 days. That's about 4,500 square feet roof. If you've never seen it from the top, let me show you around, okay? It's dangerous, so let me take it slow. As you can see, that's called the ridge vent for ventilation. The guys are still cleaning here out a little bit, so you can see some material is left over. So now I'm on top of the roof. You guys can see all the angles. See the view behind me. That's what's good about this job. We're gonna finish it in an hour or two. As you can see, the shingles are installed and the guy's just cleaning it up, and then we're gonna do a walk around the property to make sure that no nails left behind and shingles. But what I want to talk to you about is some of the advantages as the homeowner if you want to replace your roof. So now, one of the things that I always tell homeowners is, look, prices are down right now due to the current pandemic. And what I mean by that is labor prices went down because of supply and demand, and manufacturers for shingles, for tiles, or even metal roof are down as well. So what it means for the homeowner, you guys can save a lot of money and get great deals. So you need to take advantage of it. The second thing here, let's face it, you guys want to be comfortable in your home, and the new technology available today for roofing is completely different than what was 10 years ago. So for example, this roof you see behind me is cool shingles. It's a new technology that reflects the sun ray, which means that this homeowner in particular is going to save a lot of money on energy, save a lot of money, and definitely will be more comfortable. The second thing you need to consider is the energy efficiency program out there. Guys, those programs are crazy. What it means is that you can get qualified for zero down payment, start paying the loan a year from now, but it's not based on your credit score. It's based on your home equity. What it means is you don't need to run credit score. And also it makes sense as far as ROI. When you go through the years, the house appreciates, and we can teach you a lot about that, because we want to make sure that you guys save energy, get comfortable, but also that it's going to make sense as far as financials. So if you want to learn more, click on the link below. Me and my advisors can definitely help you out, teach you about roofing, so you will become a pro like us. And again, click on the link below, fill up some information. So first of all, we see what you're looking to do and want to see if we can help you. And then we'll get in touch. We will send somebody over to do free estimation, and we'll give you the best deal. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you soon.